Move-in ready, one owner home has been gently lived in. 3-bedroom plus den. Recent vinyl plank flooring and main living areas. Open floor plan from kitchen to great room and split bedroom floor plan. GR offers freestanding wood burning stove. All kitchen appliances included plus washer/dryer. Master bedroom suite with large walk-in closet and ensuite bath with custom tiled walk-in shower. Laundry room right off the garage with deep sink for easy projects cleanup. HVAC furnace and amp, AC less than a year old and water heater replaced this month. Prime location in neighborhood with tree-lined lot, rear open patio has retractable sunsetter awning with remote. Recent garage door and opener too. Immediate possession.